Welcome to the tutorial series for LocalSim. Before proceeding, make sure to view the previous part of the series. This video will give instructions on the data needed for running the simulation. A basic four-legged intersection will be used in this video as the base road network. Start off by clicking the Simulation tab and then choose Traffic Data. A prompt will appear with two tabs, namely Entry Points and Route Matrix. In the Entry Points tab, listed are the roads where the vehicles will be coming from, thus entry points. The vehicle flow and vehicle type distribution for each road can be edited on the right. The types of vehicles are car, jeepney, bus, truck, motorcycle, and tricycle, all of which have their own default set of dimensions and traffic behavior parameters. First, select the entry road to be edited. Fill up the text boxes with percentages and make sure that they sum up to 1.0. Leave a value of 0 to the type of vehicle that will not pass the road. Press Update to save changes or Default to revert to default values. The flow rate of vehicles could be set by first choosing a time interval. The time interval could be set in hours or minutes for short duration counts. If the volume count survey sheet is available, set time interval and units in the manner written in the survey form. If vehicle flows were counted every 15 minutes, type 15 here and choose minutes. Then input the number of vehicles for the first 15 minutes. Add entry allows you to input vehicle flow rates for succeeding time periods. Clicking Save Flow Rate will automatically compute the hourly flow rate for the time interval. To add more flow data, click Add Entry and repeat the previous steps. The next tab is the Route Matrix. On the right side are two bullets for static and dynamic modes. Should you choose dynamic, then the vehicles will find their own path or destination based on the OD matrix, which must be inputted by the user. Should you choose static, then the user will need to provide turning percentages to each entry road. To run the simulation, click Simulation tab and choose Play. The user may opt to choose with or without animation. Running the simulation without animation is much faster. The user will be asked to input time duration in seconds. Press Start Simulation to start. With animation, while the simulation runs, the user can adjust the speed of the simulation. After the run has ended, output data can be exported and saved as file by the user. This ends the video on running the simulation.